Alright folks, working on the Trane unit. Built 1997. It's a package rooftop unit. I'm gonna change the induced draft blower motor whole assembly. Some bolts we gotta take apart down there. And while we're up here and we're at it, we're gonna change the igniter. It's a glow plug style igniter. Here's the new stuff. So there's a gasket on this plate here. So comes with the new one. Here's the new one. So I'm just gonna replace it since they provide it. This one's been on there since late 90s, mid to late 90s. Yeah, I'm gonna change the igniter now since the motor's out of the way. It could get in here nicely. That bottom screw is it is stripped, rusted, and hopefully we could get away. We're not having to worry about that. If we had to address that, we'd have to change this whole plate. But as you can see, it goes all the way around. It's the heat exchanger. So hopefully it won't be a big event. Okay, real quick, this is a Trane part. It's the factory part from Trane. And quick thing about these igniters, you're not supposed to touch them with your bare skin. So you have oils on here. Let's see if I get a good view. You have oils on your skin. I'm wearing gloves, so be good. I try not to touch it anyway. But they package it like this so you don't touch it. And you're not supposed to put any oil on there because that could cause it to malfunction. It's very simple. There's the bracket that comes with it with some screws with some instructions. It's a certified Trane part. So I was able to get it in there, even with that rusted out screw. It comes with a gasket and a bracket, so it worked out. It's nice and snug. bolted in. Just have to tighten everything down, make sure everything's secure. Make my electrical connections. And I'll give it a run. See what happens. Alright. Pull in, it's connected. Blower motor is running, which is in this compartment. And if there's a heat call, it should start operating. There it is. That's the aim is feeding down there. Set, we need to clean up, grab all that stuff, button this up, try to make it off the roof without falling off. Another day in HVAC.